Today we are going to be talking about God's timing and your time and how to balance it. You have heard a lot of people saying God's time is the best. What is actually God's time? Is it outside your time or what? How can God's time be the best and you are actually getting older without having anything to show for it? So what is God's time? God's timing is not outside your own time. The perfect timing of God is as a result of you embarking on the rightful action in order to embrace the will of God for you. What a lot of people has got wrong for years now is waiting for God's time without actually understanding their timing and how it works. For instance, a young lady waiting for God's time to get married without knowing frankly what she wants. Many men came and she rejected them because she don't know what she wants. Many has lost God's time because of silly character and lack of preparation. Again is someone waiting for God's time to rise and pursue his destiny. He waits and gets behind the time, and he doesn't know that every energy and strength you have diminishes with time. To balance this properly, you have to understand something. Life itself is naturally built and programmed to be trial and error game. That is why those with strong willpower start early in life to pursue their dream. If on the track they meet their dream, then that is God's time and plan for them. But if it fails, then they know it is not God's time yet, and they kick off with another path or keep on pushing. If it happened that you know what you are born to do, then don't wait for any time to start. Start now, and God will push you up at the right time. Where God is having problem with men is on the angle of not knowing what we want and how to get them. God is a working class type and expects you to be working or be at the place of work when he finds you. But if you haven't started, just know it that God's time doesn't exist on a mutual level. All those you know already shining on their star have been there for a long time, preparing themselves, polishing their shoes, getting ready for the day God will pick them and announce them. Believe and start pursuing a good cause. God will help you one day. But never fold your hands and wait for God's time when you don't even understand your own time. Thank you for subscribing to our channel. Feel free to always come here and learn new knowledge. Do like and share our videos. Thank you.